Hello my friends, it's Andrea here. Let's talk about the autumn equinox happening on September 23rd, 2023. We have a alignment of 3 as we see in the date, quite a rhyme, but let's see what is the arithmetic of the equinox this year. Stay tuned until the end to find out. We do have the moon in the Mula Nakshatra, which is about the roots, about uprooting and building from scratch. So we will have a sense of rebuild, of newness, and this is not so unusual for the crypto market, because I think a lot of trust has to be gained, and the direction of the crypto market in general is quite interesting, and it will be reshaped in the months to come, taking into account the latest news in the market. We do have Mercury already gaining speed, which is good for the dynamics, and on the equinox day we do have a conjunction between Sun and Mars. This doesn't happen at all times, but each year we have the equinox with a positioning typically in the Nakshatra of Uttara Phalguni in the sidereal zodiac, and this is about contracts, legal matters, law in general, but also about long-term committed relationships. So it's about gaining trust again, and it's about really a speedy development, because Mars is in the Nakshatra of Hasta, which is symbolized by the feist, and it's a very quick nakshatra. So this also shows some unrest, so some fighting attitude, but it's also about navigating the whole landscape with skill, because Hasta is an acrobat. So despite of the situations that would unfold in the next months, we will find a way to navigate, and this is in general positive for the Bitcoin chart. And yes, I told you about this arithmetic in the beginning. We do have a positive number, which is 20, and this is basically a computation for the aspect method on the day of the equinox, which generally works for giving an overall direction of the market. So despite any turbulence, it looks pretty good from this standpoint. I'm happy to deliver this relatively good news, at least, and I want to thank you for your attention, for liking and subscribing, and until next time, be joyful.